My first day at school. Today is my first day at school. I wake up early because I am both excited and a little nervous. My mom helps me get ready. I put on my new clothes, my backpack, and my favorite shoes. We eat breakfast together, and then it's time to go. When we arrive at school, I see many kids and teachers. Some kids look happy, some look a little scared, just like me. My mom walks with me to my classroom. The door has my teacher's name on it, Miss Lily. She has a big smile and says, "Hello. Welcome to class." Inside the classroom, there are many colors and toys. I see small tables, chairs, books, and even a play area. Miss Lily shows me to my seat and says, "This is your desk." I sit down, and soon, other kids sit around me. One boy smiles and says, "Hi, I'm Ben." I smile back and say, "Hi, I'm Anna." Ben looks friendly, and I feel a bit better. Miss Lily starts the day by reading us a story. It's about a brave cat that goes on adventures. We all listen quietly and laugh at the funny parts. After the story, Miss Lily tells us to draw a picture of our favorite animal. I choose a dog because I have a pet dog at home. After we finish drawing, we go outside to play. There is a playground with swings, slides, and a sandbox. Ben and I play on the swings together, and we laugh as we go higher and higher. I see other kids playing on the slides and having fun too. I feel happy and forget my nervousness. When we go back inside, it's snack time. I open my lunchbox and see a sandwich, an apple, and a small juice box. Ben has a similar snack, and we eat together at the table. We talk about our favorite animals, toys, and games. Before I know it, the school day is over. Miss Lily tells us, "Good job today, everyone. See you tomorrow." My mom comes to pick me up, and I tell her all about my day. I tell her about Miss Lily, my new friend Ben, and all the fun things we did. I'm excited to go back tomorrow.